Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's respond to this discussion. I will explain the difference between family and relatives. The difference between family and relatives is that family refers more to a smaller group that has very close relationship or is called a nuclear family, which consists of parents and children. While relatives are people who have blood relation or family relations such as grandparents, aunt, uncle, and cousins. The definition of nuclear family is the same as family, which means the smallest unit in society consisting of a nuclear family, parents and children. This term is often used to differentiate from a large family or extended family. The difference is clear, such as the example of a nuclear family consisting of a father, mother, and child, while examples of extended family are father, mother, in-law, uncle, aunt, cousin. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.